get you this report from Srinagar, from SKIMS Hospital and Medical College, which has a success rate of 63%. That is more than double of the national recovery rate right now. Over 100 patients out of the 163 at this hospital have been cured and discharged already. My colleague Zeenat bringing you this special report from this facility.
When it comes to COVID-19 cases in Jammu and Kashmir, we have seen cases in rise, but despite that, the doctors here believe that it's a local transmission and the people here need not to worry. They believe that you have to maintain social distance. When it comes to SKIMS Medical College and Hospital, so far the good news coming from the hospital is that earlier they registered 163 patients and today finally they have touched 103 discharged patients, and today also they discharged some 13 patients who had gone to their home, and in fact the administration see of them personally to give a message to the society that there is no stigma attached to it, and also to give a morale boost to these patients. The doctors do say here that the important is not only to provide medical treatment to these patients, but also the nutritional part is quite important. We are joined by the head of COVID management, Dr. Mubarak. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to the public. Sir, tell us about the COVID management, how you are dealing actually here in the hospital.
Basically, we are, apart from giving a treatment, as per the recommended guidelines, we are treating the patients as per the recommended guidelines. And besides that, we are providing them good supplements, multivitamins, and good nutritious diet. And that's why our recovery rate, almost we have crossed 100 patients, and we have out of 163 COVID positive patients, we have discharged 103 patients we are going to discharge by today, and this amounts to almost 63% recovery rate in this hospital, and the patients are being provided every facility besides the treatment, besides supplements, as I have already mentioned.
Dr. Mubarak, how important is when it comes to supplements apart from the medical treatment?
Of course, supplements is very important. A good nutritious diet, it increases the immunity in a patient, because if we keep them depleted of the nutrients, important nutrients, multivitamins, especially it's recommended that we have to give multivitamins in the form of thiamine, vitamin C, vitamin E. So that really helps these patients to recover fast and quick. And maybe that is the that's why the success rate is very high as of now.